Hello and welcome to Truptwellness. This is Dr. Trupti and today we will see the detailed procedure of Padabhyanga, also the benefits of it. Before that, let me tell you, Padabhyanga is an Ayurvedic practice or a therapy where a foot is massaged with warm oils or ghee as per the prakriti or condition of an individual. Also, this can be done by each and everyone right from the age of 1 year to 100 years. Pregnant women can also do this abhyanga in any trimester of their pregnancy as it is safe and very beneficial. This has to be done at bedtime 30 minutes before going to bed, and the gap between the meals or your dinner and this practice should be minimum 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hours. Now let's move to the procedure. Take warm oil. Now take this oil on both hands and apply to the foot including ankle joint. Start Padabhyanga with the ankle joint. Massage in a circular motion with the base of your palm. Give a soothing massage from the ankle joint, moving downwards to the toes. Massage the spaces between each of the tendons with both thumbs. Coming to the toes, start from the big toe and massage each toe between your fingers from root to tip. Rub the oil on the Achilles tendon, which is a cord-like structure at the back of your foot connecting calf muscles to your heel. Stroke the tendon repeatedly. Next, coming to the sole. Massage the center of the sole with the palm in a circular manner. Don't forget the groove to massage with the thumb. This is a very important part of your sole. Now massage the toes from root to tip. Insert your index finger in between the toes and massage there. Lastly, on the heel. Give circular massages with the base of your palm here. Oil will get absorbed inside. If you feel the excess oil, then clean it with a napkin. Do not wash with water. Put a socks and leave the oil overnight for better absorption and more benefits. Now let's see the benefits of Padabhyanga. So the first and very important benefit is Vatshaman. Means it helps to reduce the vitiated Vata dosha in the body. So it's very good in Vata disorders like stiffness, numbness, tingling or dryness. This Abhyanga helps to nourish the nerve roots and hence it can be very beneficial for conditions like diabetic neuropathy or the one who has burning sensation in the feet. Ayurveda says Padabhyanga is a very good treatment for gridrisi, that is sciatica, and this condition is very common during pregnancy as well. This mini Abhyanga also helps to restore the eye health as 4 important nerves which are linked to the eyes are present in the groove of your soul. Many women have lot of eye problems or sight issues after delivering a child, so they can start Padabhyanga from the pregnancy time itself. Pedal edema is a very common issue during last trimester of pregnancy. It can be physiological, but this can be treated with Padabhyanga as it improves the peripheral circulation and also reduce the leg pain, which can be due to pooling of the blood in the lower limbs. And the last important point to note, the girls and women who have PMS or premenstrual syndrome should definitely go for Padabhyanga daily as it works like wonders in them. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this procedure, then comment it and we will try to solve it at earliest. If you like the video, then please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe and share the video with the needy ones in your community. Thank you.